Now I calculate the future value of an investment by using FV function. The initial balance or starting balance in my saving account is $0. I deposit $200 per month with 0.67% interest rate per month. The annual interest rate is 8%. To calculate future value of an investment, active cell reference E5, click Financial arrow button. Click FV function. In rate box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In NPER box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In type box, type 0. Click OK. I have deposited money 60 times in the 5 years and I have received total amount to bank in my saving account $14,695.37 with 8% annual interest rate after the 5 years. Now I check how much interest is earned from the invested money or deposited money. To check amount of deposited money, active cell reference F7, multiply the value of total number of deposits to the value of deposits per month. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference C5. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference I5. Press enter key. So I have deposited $12,000 in the 5-year period. To check how much interest is earned from the deposited money or invested money after 5 years, add the value of deposited money to the value of future value. Active cell reference F8, enter equal sign, click cell reference E5, enter addition operator, click cell reference F7, press enter key. So I have earned interest from the deposited money $2,695.37. The total amount in my saving account is $14,695.37. The font color of this value is red. It describes that this value is negative because I monthly deposit this amount in my saving account. This is called negative cash flow. The font color of this value is black. It describes that this value is positive because I have received money in my saving account to bank with earned interest rate in the 5 years. This is called positive cash flow. Click Initial Deposit Sheet. Now I again calculate future value of an investment. Suppose I deposit per month $0. Type 0 in cell reference I5. And I have deposited $15,000 in my saving account as an initial balance or starting balance. Type negative $15,000 in cell reference D5. First enter negative sign, then enter dollar sign, type 15,000. Press enter key. I received $22,347.69 in my saving account at 8% annual interest rate after the 5 years. So how much interest is earned from the invested or deposited money? Active cell reference F8, enter equal sign, add the value of initial deposit to the value of future value. Click cell reference E5, enter addition operator, click cell reference D5, press enter key. So I have earned interest from the invested amount is $7,347.69 after the 5 years, and the total amount in my saving account is $22,347.69.